J-Dots and Baby J's. Welcome back to my channel. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hair review. Today's video I am working with Nadula hair. This is their Jerry Curl 150 density 13x4 HD lace frontal. As y'all can see, it is a different color because I wanted to try something different. You know, a lot of companies don't want to send you out the 613 wigs, so I was like, let me think I can do like a little color and try to bleach the hair. So that's what I did. You'll see in the video how I achieved this wonderful pretty color for the, you know, fall or whatever. I basically just watercolored it, and you'll see the colors that I used in this video. But so far of me, you know, coloring it and wearing it is doing good, y'all. So what you want to do when you dye your hair is take care of it, keep it up to par, because once you don't take care of it, it gets kind of hard and, you know, not soft. But look, y'all, look at these curls. The curls are giving, like, period. So yeah, I did do like a mask on the hair so that it could come back and be, you know, luxurious and juicy curls or whatever. I can't wait for this hair to get big. Hair is in a 24-inch, and because it's Jerry curl, it's gonna be, you know, tighter or whatever. Let me just give y'all a little montage right now. So it really comes about right here on me. It's so soft and manageable. Like, when I tell y'all I bleached this hair twice and it literally is so bomb. It's not like stripped or nothing. Like, it's giving the girls what it's supposed to be. Yay! Period. The lace was awesome. The baby hairs are very cute. I love them. The hair is super soft, and I really don't have any complaints about this hair. The hair shipped super fast, and y'all will see what came in the box. I really love the packaging or whatever. This is a close-up of the curls. It's still not dry all the way, but that's the hair. And I did not put any product on it yet. I just wanted to see how it would look, you know, wet. But I am loving this hair, y'all. I'm so ready for the fall. This is gonna be my fall wig. I'll probably do some more wigs with this color, because now that I know how to do the watercolor method, your girl's gonna be wearing it out. So this is a ginger color, so it's like giving very much Kim Possible, if you know what I'm saying. Like, it's a ginger, fiery ginger, you know. I got this idea from this girl on YouTube. I'll put her right here, how to do the bleach bath and all the other stuff. So yeah, shout outs to her, because this hair girl, bomb. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Any questions you have with me, leave them down below, and I hope you enjoy this video. So basically, I'm going to be showing you what comes in the box, and yeah, so basically you just got your little package deal, and then I'm going to show you what else. Come on, Jada. Okay, so the wig, of course, and like I said, it's the 24-inch. It comes with 3 combs, 1 in the bag. The lace was looking real nice, curls looking real luxurious. And this is a wig cap, you know, for like if you want to secure your wig. And then it comes with a bag and a cute little crop. So right now I'm using the 40 developer, and I'm just gonna pour that in there and use the whole thing, y'all. And then I'm gonna use the 50 developer as well. And now I'm going in with my basic white bleaching powder. They didn't have the one I normally use, but I was just like, this will work, you know. So I'm just using half of the bag, and later on in the video you'll see I did add like a scoop or two, because I do add water, as you can see right here. And on this part, your bleach bath needs to be very liquidy, so the consistency does not need to be thick, or else it will not penetrate the hair as well. So, and on this part, be careful, y'all, because this smoke was literally attacking me. So yeah, you want this part to be very liquidy. and I'm just going to be pushing the hair down and brushing it as I go. So if you do not brush, it will not get the hair evenly coated. So yeah. So yeah, on this part, I'm just pushing the hair down, making sure everything is covered, and we're just going to cover this and let it sit for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes were up, I just checked the hair, put on my gloves. Y'all, make sure you're wearing gloves because, you know, bleach is not good for the skin. Ignore it on my elbow and my arm. But yeah, I'm just putting some more water in there and also the bleaching powder because it wasn't the color that I wanted. I wanted it to be a little lighter. So this was just like a chocolatey color. So yeah, I did do another 20 minutes. Now I'm just going in with my dish soap. The girl that I got this idea from, she used Dove soap. So yeah, I guess you can just use any dish soap. It just strips out the bleach and doesn't leave a film over your hair. Taking some hot water so I can do my watercolor method, and I'm starting off with Cajun Spice, and I'm just going to pour all of that in there. These are the colors that I used. This last one I did not show, but it's just the orange glaze. It just brightens up the color and give it that fiery color. And now I'm just mixing it up with my brush, and some leftover hair was on the brush so I could tell if it was the right color. I mean, regardless, it had to be the right color because I had no more dye. Now I'm just dunking the hair in there, making sure I'm brushing it as well as I go. And I just did this a couple of times. I don't know how many times I did it, y'all, just enough to see the colors gotten through. So yeah, just did that a couple of times. So now I'm going with my Maui shampoo. It's for color treated hair, so I'm just going to use that. Now I'm going in with my Tresemme shampoo, the 7 times moisture, just to put some moisture back in the hair since I did bleach it twice. And now I'm using the Color Protecting Moisture Mask by Cantu. I let this sit on the hair for like 15 minutes, maybe more because I decided to eat after this. But yeah, I just let it set in the plastic bag just to give it like a little treatment. You know, you want to take care of the hair because you did just strip it of its moisture, and we want the curls to be popping, y'all. And I do use a lot of this product because, yeah, like I said, I don't want the hair to be dry. So I did use a lot of this product. So now we are starting my favorite part, is the install period. So yeah, I have plenty of videos on my channel where I do in details installs. So if you would like that, just check them out on my channel. But I hope you've enjoyed this little install, and I'm gonna quit talking. So yeah, see you in the next one.
stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 right up to the eye of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my voice low. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.